are at the Ford dealership. I've never seen a version like this before. This is a Mustang, I believe GT, but it's got the Roush package, and it says Roush Performance 2021 stage, what does it say? Stage 3 Mustang. So MSRP is $86,900 for this version right here. It's out here being rained on, unfortunately. But check this out. It's got a market adjustment of $5,000. So a Roush package, which you could probably buy on demand, has a markup for $5,000. And it honestly doesn't end here, because looking around us, we have tons of Mustangs everywhere, but these are what California dealerships are doing. They're just throwing markups on absolutely everything. This is another Mustang. It's a plain Mustang, $2,500 markup. Wait a second. That's a Mustang EcoBoost with a $2,500 markup. Let's see what the Mach 1 is going for, shall we? Walking up to it. This is the non-track pack Mach 1. So it's got the normal Pilot Sport 4S tires. The track version has the Cup 2s and the bigger spoiler in the back. But walking this way, $7,500 over sticker for a Mach 1. So it shows you that no matter what you buy right now, there are crazy markups on everything, because the Ford dealerships know that they can do it. So that is the sad part, and it makes you wonder, would you really pay out the door $70,000 for a Mustang GT Mach 1 when that is basically right around the price of like what a GT 350R was? So it blows my mind just thinking about it. Please let me know in the comment section down below, what are your thoughts? Literally, I cannot believe that normal EcoBoost 6-cylinder Mustangs, or 4-cylinder Mustangs actually, are going for over sticker, or the dealerships are trying to charge over sticker. It's blowing my mind. I'm gonna go check out what the Mach E's are going for, and the Broncos. But real quickly, we have another Mach 1 this way. This one again is not the track version, but it does look pretty cool. I am a fan of the looks of the Mach 1, right? But it doesn't have the wide body front end of the GT350 or the upgraded brakes the GT350 has. But if we walk this way, let's see if this one has the same exact markup on it as the last one, shall we? Doesn't even say, so I'm guessing most likely it does. And this is the craziest thing ever. We have Teslas parked on the Ford lot. What? And check this out. This is a Tesla Model S Plaid used on a Ford dealer lot. Driving one of these, it was honestly insane, but let's see how much they want for it. And as you can see right there, yep, Plaid. And there's no price that I can see, so I'll have to ask them shortly to see how much they want for this car. And then here we have a whole lineup of Ford Broncos. Now I know Ford told dealerships do not mark these up. They're trying to serve the customers in the best way possible. So let's see if there are massive markups on these things too. There has to be, right? If they're sitting here. Here we are, 2021 Ford Bronco base model, and they want $67,000. And it's used. It's a used Ford Bronco. And here we have another one. It's a Badlands edition, and they want $85,000 almost. So you're getting up to almost $100,000 for used Broncos right now. That is blowing my mind. They can sell these cars right now for sticker where they should be being sold at, in my opinion. But everything is being marked up because the dealership can. That's the thing. I wish car makers would be like Tesla or other brands where they infringe upon you for gouging customers for more and more money. We know a lot of brands are doing that. Even with the new electric cars coming out, Ford is putting their foot down. But why aren't they doing that for these vehicles? Here's a Black Diamond edition with its 4-cylinder 2.3 liter for $70,000. And then here's another one, a Big Bend edition, and then $74,500. There we go, way down there, a Shelby Mustang GT Super Snake. Do you see it? You gotta see this one. Shelby Mustang GT Super Snake right here with its new front bumper. It's like dual intake design on the front hood. I'm not sure if these are painted stripes or not. They look nicely done. But let's walk around this way and see how much they want. $99,697 for a 2019 Mustang GT Super Snake used with the 10-speed. That is crazy. So it's really showing you that if you want to buy a Shelby, I guess you got to pay 6 figures for that. I think the Z06 will probably start at less than $100,000. So you got to consider if you can find an MSRP dealer for a Corvette, which I know of many out there that I've seen other people, could get a hold of. I think this is why Mustang is having a hard time with younger buyers, because dealers are marking up every single model, including the Shelbys, so that the young people will never be able to achieve them, right? At a young age, at least, until they start making more money, which is very sad to see. I want everyone to enjoy these vehicles, right? And then when they start pricing them out of this realm, then everything just goes downhill from there, but the dealer always wins. Would you pay $100,000 for this used Mustang GT Super Snake? And here we have it, my favorite Ford Mustang Shelby of all time, the GT 350R. I miss my car so much. This is finished in like a deep, like charcoal gray. You know what, guys? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Are the Teslas a new big thing? Model 3s with 21,000 miles to be going for $54,000. It looks like, even looking at the Plaid, so I found out the Plaid, they want $149,000 for it. Now here's the most comical part of it all, and I hope people realize this because it'll help educate them when it comes to making car buying decisions. Looking at these vehicles like Teslas for Markups, for example, you can buy Teslas, whatever model you can imagine that you want, custom made, brand new, for MSRP, straight from Tesla. There's no middleman trying to make a buck off the price. If you consider paying a markup for a used Tesla, you can just order one and build it yourself and pay MSRP. Right now, you can go on your phone and get a car. It'll take time to be built, but you'll get a car for MSRP and exactly how you'd like it for significantly less money because you're not paying a markup. The whole idea of markups, I was told in the past, was that it was supply and demand. How there's not enough supply, there's too much demand. Well, here's a few things. If that was really the case, these cars wouldn't be sitting on lots anywhere because the demand is that high. Also, when you can buy a car on demand, like a Tesla, and Tesla had their record year this past year, then how does supply and demand apply to that? I guess it only matters if you want a car right here, right now, from a certain location. Other than that, it really does make me feel bad seeing such things happen and how practices like this could be so mainstream. What do you think is making the dealerships charge so much money right now for vehicles? Is it supply and demand? It looks like they have a lot of supply here. So I'm actually very curious to find out what all of you have to say about it. What do you think? Oh, here's a Civic Type R. Let's see, how much are these going for? $46,000 for 25,000 miles. Is that a good price? Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you experiencing any increased prices where you are located? Just want to show you what it's like over here in California, SoCal. It's funny because, it's not funny, it's actually kind of sad, because gas stations all around me, I'm noticing that they're charging like $5.20, $5.30 for a gallon of 91 octane. But then you go to Texas and it's like $3, right? So it's blowing my mind. I do want to ask all of you though, what are the Bronco prices like where you are located, or the Mustang prices? Are you seeing markups? And if you guys know of any good dealerships to work with, give fellow viewers good deals, please let us know in the comment section down below. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe for much more great content coming out your way, and hit the notification bell. I'll see all of you in the next episode.